Cisco Firepower. Next Generation Firewall, NGFW, is a powerful and comprehensive security solution that offers advanced threat protection and integrated network security features. With the Cisco Firepower NGFW, organizations can protect their networks and data from advanced persistent threats, malware, and other cyber threats. The Firepower NGFW is designed to provide complete network visibility, advanced threat protection, and granular control of network traffic. The Firepower NGFW is designed to provide organizations with a full-featured, high-performance firewall solution that is capable of delivering real-time threat prevention and detection. The Firepower NGFW integrates with Cisco's Advanced Malware Protection, AMP, to provide comprehensive protection against malicious content, zero-day exploits, and other advanced threats. The Firepower NGFW also provides integrated application visibility and control, allowing organizations to control traffic based on application, user, and device type. The Firepower NGFW also includes a comprehensive set of features for network access control. These features include dynamic segmentation, role-based access control, identity-based policy enforcement, and policy-based routing. With these features, organizations can ensure that only authorized users and devices can access the network, and that traffic is routed to the appropriate resources. The Firepower NGFW also includes an extensive set of features for reporting and compliance. The Firepower NGFW can generate reports on network activity, provide analytics for network performance, and generate compliance reports for audit purposes. The Firepower NGFW is an ideal solution for organizations of all sizes looking for a comprehensive and powerful security solution. With the Firepower NGFW, organizations can ensure that their networks and data are protected from advanced persistent threats, malware, and other cyber threats. The Firepower NGFW also provides integrated application visibility and control, comprehensive reporting and compliance capabilities, and granular control of network traffic.